How to delete all of your DMs at once on Discord. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick method on how you can easily delete all of your messages on DMs on your Discord. Let's get started. So here I have my Discord open on my browser. So what you need to do first is search for undiscord by GitHub. And from here you will see this link, just open it. And then if you scroll down a bit, you will have to download or add an extension on your browser depending on which browser you're using. So on Edge it's TamperMonkey, on Chrome you can use ViolentMonkey or TamperMonkey. I've already downloaded the ViolentMonkey extension, and once you do that, an installation file will pop up. You just have to install it, and once you do this, if you go ahead and refresh your Discord's page, you will find this delete button right here. Now all you have to do here is go ahead and click your direct messages and you will see this delete button right here. And on the author ID, make sure this is selected, and on your current server ID you have to select the current ID and your channel as well. Now if you click on delete, all of your DMs will be deleted permanently. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.